Oh yeah. I don't know what to say. Hello everyone. My name is Rogeline, or Rog for short. I'm back for my YouTube channel at last after almost 3 years of stopping, and I stopped for personal reason. Of course, I'm a graduating student also. I'm free to do a vlog. I will do a travel vlog or a gaming vlog or whatever vlog that is. Anyways, stay tuned for my YouTube channel, and I will post every week. Or should I say 5 posts every week. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Maybe a short vlog will do. So have a nice day, guys. And anyways, I will start a vlog by December. So yeah, I will do a vlog on Christmas Day. That's all I say.